We'll guide you through how to remove the minimum age restriction on Instagram. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram, so perhaps you went to set a minimum age and you no longer want it. With a minimum age set, this means it requires people to be a certain age to go and see your account, including your profile, posts, and stories. And so for whatever reason you no longer want it, perhaps it no longer applies, or there's another reason why you don't want to use it anymore. But we're going to guide you through how you can go and remove it and turn it off, as ultimately it can go and restrict the amount of people who can go and see your account, but it may be for a good reason. But if you no longer need it, then we can go and do this. So to get started, head to your Instagram profile. So you can go and press your profile icon in the bottom right. It may go and have your profile icon, or it can just be a user icon. And then what you can do is you can head to the top right. There you'll go and see 3 lines, which you can then go and tap on. And this will open up your settings and activity. Scroll down but not far, and you need to go and find the section called For Professionals. In here, you can then go and tap Account Type and Tools. Then you want to go down and you need to go and find the option for Other. And in here, you can go and find it minimum age. Now you can go and see the minimum age that's currently set to 18. What you can do is you can go to the right of default and you can go and press remove. So it's now been removed. You can go and press done, and that's it. Just wait while it updates and it'll take you back to your main settings and you've removed it. Leave a like if you found this useful.